So for how fun that 15 Days of Socks Beatles Advent Calendar was, I couldn't resist. Now, this is an Advent calendar. And admittedly, I paid a very, very pretty penny for it. But for the past, how many years have I been doing Advent calendars on this channel? What, 5 years? 6? Something like that? I've said each year that I wish somebody would do a Beatles Advent calendar. And the universe delivered with not one but 2 this year. So I felt like I'd be an asshole to not respond accordingly to them existing after basically wishing it into existence. So I bought the thing. Will it be worth the money? Probably not, but at the same time, you know what? It's gonna be fun anyway, and I'm not gonna think about the money part of it, because that part's spent, it's done, it's gone, I have it in my hand, no regrets. So let's go ahead and open it. I don't even know how or where the doors are on this thing, so, but it's a nice-ass box, I'll tell you that. And if it's, like, particularly sturdy, I may just, like, hold on to the box part too and like use it for small storage of things. Okay, the box cutter's not the best choice for this. There we go. Scissors are better. Okay. Ooh, it's all matte. Alright. Let's get it opened. Okay. Okay, so this way. Apparently this little piece comes off the front, like so. Okay, I'm not gonna peek at the bottom there. And then these all slide out one at a time. I'm assuming left to right is where we find our doors, but oh my god, I am loving this already. I am slightly unnerved at how I'm hearing things rattle around in there, though, because I know there's at least one very breakable item. Oh my god, oh, please don't be broken. I'll be really upset if it's broken, because I think most of the cost of this box is that one very breakable item. So, hopefully it's okay. But, come on. I'm trying to get a grip on any of them. But, like, seriously, this rainbow aesthetic makes me think of the Monkeys' Rainbow Room as well, so it's like dual fandom fangirling at once here. So yeah, truth be told, cards on the table, it's not so conducive for actually getting them out. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oof, come on you. You can do it. Oh, are they not in order? Because I'm seeing a 7 and a 3 here, like a really big 3, but is it like a door? Oh boy, okay, so we'll be like digging back and forth through these, I see. Okay, because just in this first box with John on it, we have like that 3 on the top that's an envelope, and then a 9, 13, 7, 1, 10, and 11. Well, at least we've got 1 here, so, I would say I sincerely hope it goes in order for where the next number is and just goes back and forth, but 3 is here. So that tells me, oh, it's not gonna be like that. So it's gonna be a tricky little bugger, but alright. But we'll start with day number 1. Carefully put 3 back down in the meantime. Be delicate with it. Do it without tearing it. Oh my goodness, even the tissue paper it's wrapped in is Beatles. My dudes. My dudes. Straight up. I need to show you guys it. Can you see this? Can you see this? The level of detail on this. Holy shit. Okay, you know what? If I had any reservations about how much money I spent on this set, holy crap, that just told me I made a good decision here. Oh my goodness. Cutest tissue paper I've ever seen. What do we have? I see magical mystery. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's cute. Okay. So, And it's actually a really hefty Magical Mystery Tour keychain here. Like, it's not like a chintzy little, like, dollar store find. This is, like, heavy. So I actually really, really like that. And again, we've established that we stand Magical Mystery Tour here in this house. Or at least I do, anyway. But no one else in this house does, but I will accept no Magical Mystery Tour slander here. So, oh my god, that's so cute. Even, like, the level of detailing, outlining each of the letters on that top edge. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But yeah, now that that's out of there, I can properly show you the print a little better. You can feel free to pause that. Look at it. Yeah. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can already tell. This advent calendar is going to be a lot of fun. If I thought I was, like, digging the socks, oh my god, it's off to a good start. It's off to a good start. So, anyways, that's it for day 1. And this is a 24-day advent calendar, so since we started a little later into the month, it will conclude post-Christmas, probably towards the end of the month if I don't miss any days, but if I do miss any days, who knows, might conclude around my birthday for all I know, because that's a week into the new year, but anyways, whoop, let's not drop it. But anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as always, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.